Top 10 Electronics Store in Nashville. 1. Capital City Computers and TV Repair, 4.9 362 reviews, Gallatin Avenue. 2. PayMore, Buy, Sell and Trade Electronics, 4.8 440 reviews, 21st Avenue Southeast EE 202. 3. Computer House, 4.7 762 reviews, Jefferson St. 4. Hifi Buys Nashville, 4.6 214 reviews, Nolensville Park. 5. Electronic Express, 4.5 493 reviews, Nashville Pike. 6. Electronic Express, 4.3 344 reviews, Galleria Blvd No. 1000. 7. Electronic Express Outlet Store, 4.36 reviews, Gallatin Pike S. 8. Electronic Express, 4.2 480 reviews, Old Hickory Boulevard. 9. Best Buy, 4.1 3016 reviews, Galleria Blvd. 10. Electronic Express, 4.1 423 reviews, 2101 A Gallatin Pike N.